Hey Rohan, have you thought more about our holiday plans?
Yeah, I was just looking at some places last night. I'm leaning towards going to Himachal. What do you think?
Himachal sounds amazing. I've always wanted to visit Manali. Mountains, rivers, fresh air. It's perfect.
Same here. Plus, it's not too expensive. We could go by bus or train. It'll take longer, but we'll save money.
I don't mind long travel. The journey can be part of the fun. When do you want to go?
I was thinking during the second week of next month. We can take a leave from work here. Then what about you?
That works for me too. I just need to check with my manager, but I don't think it'll be a problem.
Great! How many days should we plan for? 4 days or 5?
Let's make it at least 5. That way, we won't feel rushed. We can explore a bit more, maybe do some trekking or paragliding.
Paragliding? Are you serious?
Yes! Come on, you only live once. And it's supposed to be very safe there.
Okay, I'll think about it. But only if you promise we do something relaxing afterward, like sitting by a river with tea.
Deal. We'll balance adventure with relaxation. I'll start checking hotels and homestays today itself.
Good idea. Let's stay somewhere with mountain views, not too fancy, but clean and cozy.
I'll look at reviews and shortlist a few options. You check buses or trains?
Done. Let's make a budget too so that we know how much we're spending on travel, stay, food, and activities.
Agreed. I'll make a shared doc for that. I'm already excited.
Me too. This is going to be the break that we both need.
Can't wait. Let's finalize everything this weekend.
Perfect. We'll book tickets and reserve our stay. Adventure, here we come.